Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video today is me, well, I wouldn't say installed. I just want to show you how to do it, but I've installed my splitter, as you can see. What a pain in the arse it is. So you had to, one, paint the thing, did that in one of the last videos. Two, drill the holes, mark the location, force it into place, drill the holes into place, as in secure it all into place, and then, well, check it. So I'll show you what I've done. I'll basically give you a run through. I'll show you from underneath the car, but I have got this on the ramps, so that's why I thought I'd just show you now. So as we're underneath the car, this is where the fun starts. This is the two centerpieces. I've had to drill a bolt, put a bolt in this bit, and then I've had to drill here up into the metal through there to secure it. I've put some Loctite on it. So what this is doing is securing that to the bumper brace. This is not got no harm putting it on the bumper brace at all. So I've had to do it on both bits of this side. I don't know if you can see that up there, but yeah, there you go. Focus up here. Yeah, 1, 2. So that's the same again. And obviously, ignore these three. These are the holes that are pre-built. And then all I've done is put screws down here, some not self-tappers, but some sort of similar self-tappers. Obviously all up here. It is a pain, but that is a mini F56 for you. You are meant to cut these out, these like rubber things out, but I chose not to because I thought I don't want to damage anything under it, so I've just basically pushed them into position and then installed the splitter on both sides, as you can see. So as you can see, the splitter does make it look a lot more aggressive. That's how much it's added on that side. See, I was going to try and colour match it, but I'm glad I didn't because it makes it stand out a lot more. And by adding the bracing to the metal support bar, that makes this, because this was sagging down earlier, but now that is like super solid. So it's actually the bits with the plastic, this plastic bit of the bumper that's moving now instead. So that's exactly what it looks like. I was going to show you a video of how to do it like I said, but I'm glad I didn't because it is a pain. So what I'll do is now put the under tray back on, and then we'll get her off the ramps and I'll show you what she looks like on the floor. Wow, this is the finished result. This is how low the car looks. So that was low before. Now the front end looks ridiculously low. It looks mental. I do like it. Fitment could be a lot better, as in like in this corner, it's not exactly the best angle, but that's what the splitter looks like across the front. So if we didn't put them braces onto the metal bar, it would have been a lot worse. But I'm happy with it. I do like it. It does really offset with the car, so nice. It looks amazing. Now all we need to do is get the side skirts on, and happy days. It'll be brilliant. Anyway, like I was saying, thanks again guys for watching my video. I know it was short and sweet, wasn't really an install. I hope you enjoy the look of it a lot more. I just love that extra little bit of low on there. But anyway, yeah, thanks again guys for watching my video, and we'll catch up with you in the next one, which is probably going to be installing the side skirts, and I might actually be able to do an install video this time. But yeah, thanks again, and I'll catch you later in the next one. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my videos, and I'll be doing details about the giveaway soon, but I know I keep saying that, but I will do, I promise you. Right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now, peace out.